Welcome to English Binglish Part 2. Don't forget to subscribe. Let's practice listening in English. Train your brain to think like a winner. Welcome to today's powerful English learning lesson. Do you want to train your brain to win, improve your English, and build unstoppable confidence? Then stay with me till the end because this lesson will transform the way you think and speak. Today, you will learn new English words, motivational phrases, and life changing ideas all in one video. Your brain is like a muscle. The more you train it, the stronger it becomes. When you say, I can't, your brain stops looking for solutions. But when you say, I can figure this out, your brain becomes your best friend. Repeat after me. I can figure this out. I am capable of learning anything. I train my mind to stay positive. Winners are not born, they are made through habits. Every morning they tell themselves, I am ready to win today. Repeat after me. Every day I become better. I learn, I grow, I win. I speak English confidently and clearly. Your life changes when your thoughts change. If you keep saying my English is bad, your brain believes it. But if you say I am improving my English every day, your brain helps you grow. Repeat after me. My English is getting better every day. I love learning new words. I am confident and fluent. Knowledge without action is nothing. If you want to speak English fluently, practice every day. If you want to win in life, take action now. Repeat after me. I take action toward my goals. I am not afraid to make mistakes. Every small step brings me closer to success. Now I will tell you a short story. Tom wanted to be the best runner in his school, but every race he came in second place. He felt sad and wanted to quit. One morning his coach said, winning starts in your mind, Tom. Tell yourself you can do it and practice a little more each day. Tom listened every day. He trained harder and repeated, I can win. At the next race, he stayed calm, ran his best, and crossed the finish line fast. Tom smiled and said, when I trained my brain to believe, my body followed. After the race, Tom's friends ran to him, cheering loudly. His coach patted his shoulder and said, say, Tom, the body follows the mind. Tom nodded. I understand now, he said. If I believe, I can achieve. From that day, Tom used the same mindset for everything, studying, helping others, and facing problems. From that day, Tom realized that true victory begins inside the mind. He promised himself to face every challenge with courage and confidence. No matter how many times he failed, he would rise again, stronger, faster, and wiser. Because when you train your brain to believe, there's nothing in the world you can't achieve. From that moment, Tom understood something powerful. Success is not about luck or talent, it's about the strength of your mind. He learned that every challenge is a chance to grow, every failure is a lesson, and every small step brings you closer to your dream. Tom smiled and said to himself, I am unstoppable. Thank you, my dear subscriber, for being here with me. Your support means everything to me. I hope this story touched your heart. Until next time, keep learning, keep practicing, keep growing, and never stop believing in the power of consistent daily action. Share this video with someone who needs to hear this message. Don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching.